So why did you get out your car?
Because I want to give her a lesson.
Okay, so you think that was the best thing to do?
No.
On this ride along, two people shake hands. The case gets a little weird,
So you're waiting for the chicken across the road.
and a woman turns defensive.
Why are you
Pick up the dog.
talking to me like that? I was trying to defend an animal.
On July 9th in Key West, Florida, officers were dispatched to a call about two women getting pepper sprayed. It all started just moments earlier on Petronia Street when a chicken had been crossing the road. A driver in a black car stopped to let the chicken pass, but the car behind it didn't know what was happening. It honked a few times, then drove around, hitting the chicken. The black car chased after the silver car and caught up a few blocks later.
She opened the driver's side door, so she grabbed the door and she slammed it shut. The girl opened it again, took out the can of, I guess it's pepper spray, and just hit him right in the face inside the car. And then jumped in the car and took off.
Despite fleeing the scene, the woman would show up at the police department about an hour later to give her side of the story.
How you doing? Good.
She's friendly.
How you doing? I'm Officer Osborne.
Hi, Officer Osborne. I'm Cynthia.
What brings you here today?
So I had a problem with a lady on Bahama Village just right now, like an hour ago. I was driving to my dog to the dog park, and there was like a little chicken passing the street, and I was waiting on the chicken to pass. He almost passed. He was looking hurting already, and a lady who was behind me, she instead of waiting like everybody else, she just decided to pass next to me and ran to the chicken while she was watching me. And I do work as a animal rights defender, so I got really angry, and I decided to chase her, which I did. She stopped the car. I opened the door and I sprayed her face when she attacked me. So she came to attack me. Obviously, she was feel threatened, and then I sprayed her face with this spray.
Okay.
A little bit.
Keep that in there.
Reversing the footage a bit, our product identification scanning system identifies this as AMC's Tactical Pepper Spray. Amazon reviewers give it 4.6 stars out of 5. However, Florida classifies this as a weapon because it's over 2 fluid ounces, and using it in the manner the woman did turns a simple battery into an aggravated battery punishable by up to 15 years in prison.
I feel so sorry. I didn't want to do that.
Okay, so why did you get out your car?
Because I want to give her a lesson.
Okay, so you think that was the best thing to do?
No, I'm so regret
Okay.
it.
So just so I'm gonna repeat your story back to you that you just explained to me.
Yes.
So you were waiting for the chicken across the road, and then the car behind you, she went around you and possibly hit the chicken.
It did
Okay.
kill it in my face.
Okay, so she hit the chicken, and then you followed her, and then at the stop sign, you got out your car, opened her door.
She came to me.
So she got out of her car first, or you opened her car door?
I did.
You opened her car door first?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a key point because in many states, like Florida, simply opening someone's car door to commit a crime is considered burglary.
So you opened her car door, and then when she was getting out the car or trying to close the door, you opened the door back open.
Yes.
And then sprayed her.
She came to me to fight.
How
I
did-
pull back, and then I spray her face.
Okay. So you sprayed her with that right there.
For a second.
Okay.
It wasn't like here. It was like here.
Okay, and why'd you leave?
Because I didn't want her to get mad, and I came here. I didn't want to leave. I wanted to come and talk to... Anyways, there's no police officers around there. I don't
I
know.
was there, and we were there within 3 minutes.
Oh, you
There was
were
2
there?
officers there, and the fire department was there.
Oh, so sorry.
Okay, you got your ID on you?
Yes.
Both females. One just wasn't sprayed. The other one got it.
No, the other one was not.
She got some of the pepper spray on her. So
Am I gonna get arrested?
they both want to press charges on you.
Okay.
Okay. So do you have somebody to come pick up the dog?
No, I do not. I want to take him, and I'll come back with my own word. You can keep my ID if you want.
Okay. Well, we can't do that. You're gonna have to call a friend or family member to come pick up the dog. So, if you
So am
can-
I gonna get arrested for
Yes.
this? How many days do you think I'm gonna get
I don't know.
arrested?
You will see a judge in the morning.
So
Okay.
today I'm gonna be in jail or tomorrow?
Today.
Today. So now.
Yes.
So,
So you need to-
can I pay a finance about it?
You take it up with the judge. You'll see the judge in the morning. We don't work for the court system. We just make
So I'm
arrests
gonna
and we
go
go.
now to be arrested at the
Yes,
jail?
so that's why you need to make a phone call for someone to come pick up the dog, a friend or something.
No, I can't do that.
Or you're gonna have to, or the dog go to SPCA.
Oh no. I'm gonna call her cow. Jesus, I should brought the dog first.
Okay.
So how many days are gonna be? Am I gonna be?
I don't know.
held?
I don't put dates and stuff. The judge does that.
So am I gonna get a trial tomorrow?
Yeah, you'll see the judge, and the judge will speak to you. You can speak to the judge and explain everything to him. But as of right now, both parties want to press charges against you.
Why both parties?
Both parties, the two people that were pepper sprayed by you.
I did not pepper spray two of them.
You pepper sprayed one and it got on the
No,
other.
the other one was on the car.
Yeah, and it got on her.
No, it was not on her.
I was there. I was on scene. So just do me a favor, make a phone call, have someone come pick up the dog.
In Florida, even if she didn't directly spray the passenger, the officer can charge her as if she did, because the malicious intent she had for the driver transfers to the passenger.
It was not true. I wish I could see the video, but you have
There's
video.
no video. I wish you would have stayed on scene. So just make the phone call from me so someone
Why
can
are
pick
you
up the
talking
dog.
to me like that? I was trying to defend an animal.
Right.
I was not being too hard just
In
because.
the state of Florida, you can't defend animals and take it into your own action to teach someone a lesson. That's illegal what you did.
Yeah, but I did not want to do that. And
But
I'm just telling you right now.
I understand,
Don't say I sprayed two of them. It's not true. I'm being honest. Don't make it hard for me because I'm not. It's not.
I didn't make anything hard for you.
Yes, but it looks
It
like.
wasn't my decision to pepper spray people.
It's-
You can't just go around pepper spraying
I
people.
never do that. I got this pepper spray literally like a week ago because I feel threatened in my own car. I'm not a criminal.
That's fine. Just go ahead and make the phone call for me.
He's gonna be so mad at me.
The woman eventually found someone to pick up her dog, but it would take a while for him to arrive, so another officer watched over the dog while the woman was cuffed and taken to jail.
Okay, can I take my ID?
Yeah, I'll grab everything for you. We're just gonna walk in front of my car,
Okay.
so I can just search it right quick. Just stand right here, right in front of here, right here. And like I said, you don't have anything on you,
No.
inside of your clothing or anything?
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick pat down with the back of my hands, just to make sure you don't have anything on you, okay?
The officer charged her with 2 counts of aggravated battery and 1 count of burglary with battery. These charges are all felonies. In March, she pled no contest to the amended charge of misdemeanor battery. Adjudication was withheld, and she was sentenced to 12 months of probation. She was also ordered to have no contact with the driver and pay restitution of $2,000. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride-along.